Greatness isn't rooted in the kids you get. Greatness is rooted in you and your team making a commitment to get 1% better every week at this cycle. Just imagine. Now, don't do this. Again, it's another PSA. Don't put me in your blog. Just imagine your team set no academic goals. They set no academic goals, and their only goal was, we're going to get better at going from analyzing data to providing support. We're going to get better at being more transparent with what we're struggling with. We're going to be better at making fewer excuses and looking for solutions. If all your team did all year long was set a goal to get a little better at this cycle every time they executed it, what would you guess the data is going to look like, the student achievement data is going to look like at the end of the year?